In this video, I'll guide you through how to set up and use crypto.com application on your phone and what functions it has. Every section under this video, I'll discuss through and redirect you straight to the information that you are looking for. First is the initial passcode authentication. Considering that you have completed creating your application, installing the application and creating your account, the initial passcode authentication should resume. The first step to accessing the app each time would be to type in your passcode. After opening the Crypto.com application, you will be asked to create a passcode. You can log in with biometric authentication too, which is an alternative for your convenience and security. Once you have logged in, these are the pages that will be introduced to you. This is the first page, which is the home page that you will be greeted by. Page provides all the essential information and functionality to begin trading crypto. There is also the favorite cryptocurrencies which are stored through the track section and are shown here for convenience. Next is the top performers and news. Well, basically, top performers are the top performing tokens within the last 24 hours. These are found right below the favorites and indicate the best performing tokens in terms of percentage gain again with the last 24 hours. Also, the crypto news is right below the top performers. This section provides insight into the new updates on the platform. And next is the buy and sell options. By going to the main page, you will see the buy and the sell options on the left. Well, now we have discussed the basic elements inside the Crypto.com application. Now let's talk about the functions that it offers or the services that it offers. First is the buying a token. How to buy a token. Selecting buy will bring up the tokens that are available for purchase. Once a token has been selected, it will bring up a new tab that will allow the selection of purchase method and the amount. As you can see here, this is the screen for the buy interface. After the selection of method and amount is done, a confirmation screen will come up, following that the transaction needs to be authenticated first. And upon successful authentication, the purchase confirmation screen will come up, which is the last screen here. Now that you have bought a token, how to sell a token too. Selecting sell will bring up the tokens available for sale, or the ones you have already available in your crypto wallet. However, if you have insufficient balance, you'll be asked to select a different amount and try again. You can either sell your tokens for cash or crypto. We have discussed how to buy and sell crypto, but how to deposit and withdraw a crypto. Clicking the deposit button on the home screen will open the depositing options, which are two, the crypto deposit and fiat deposit. Let's discuss first the crypto deposits. Select the coin you are looking to deposit and from there the details for your wallet will appear on the screen. After you have selected crypto deposit, initiating the fiat deposit will bring up the fiat wallet depositing menu where you will be asked to set up a fiat currency wallet first. That is for deposit fiat. Next is the withdrawing of crypto. You can easily withdraw your assets by going to accounts, clicking on crypto wallet, choosing the asset you'd like to withdraw, and clicking on transfer and choosing withdraw. Selecting withdraw brings us to a similar screen that allows the withdrawal of assets, be it crypto directly or in fiat. Selecting crypto will prompt a menu of options to appear. Depending on which accounts are linked to Crypto.com application, more options will appear such as DeFi, exchange, and other users, and if the app is allowed to see contacts on the device. Also, I'd like to add that external wallet withdrawals bring up a new page where external wallets are added and confirmed. Selecting fiat will lead to the fiat wallet menu for withdrawals. You can find more information about deposit and withdrawal information in Crypto.com website. Now is the Crypto Pay. You can easily access this option once you tap Pay, which is situated next to the deposit option on the home page. This option allows instant payments to friends or supported merchants, like gift cards, airtime, scan, and send. First is the gift card. It allows the purchase of gift cards with cryptocurrency. Airtime allows airtime top-ups, and scan open up the camera to allow scanning of QR codes for payments to friends or supported merchants. And lastly is the send. This will brings up in contactless if the crypto app is allowed permissions to view contacts. It can send to anyone even if they do not have the crypto.com account, which will prompt the receiving party to create an account. If they do, the crypto is received, and if not, it is returned within a few days. Now that we know the idea about CryptoPay, this is the interface regarding it, like gift cards, send and scan. Lastly is the airtime. Now let's talk about the account and menu. Well, account, this is right next to home and you can find the account tabs. Once you enter the account menu, here you can find all of the details regarding your accounts, like total balance, your daily balance movement, your portfolio allocation button, your crypto convert DOS, and your transaction history. And lastly is the menu. Once you have entered the application, you will be able to find the menu. In the top left of the screen, you will be able to see what kind of options you may have in the screenshots that I have provided here. This also involves the trade, spend, finance, bonus, and more. And that is a wrap on our comprehensive guide or basic beginner's guide to using crypto.com. By following the steps and tips outlined here, you now have the knowledge and tools to manage your cryptocurrency portfolio with ease and confidence. From initial setup of your account, securing your wallet, and completing your first transactions, which are the buy and sell token, and deposit and withdraw of your crypto, to more advanced features like staking, earning rewards, and exploring decentralized finance, which will be explored obviously by you. You are well equipped to dive into the exciting world of crypto. Well, again, Crypto.com offers a user-friendly interface that caters to both beginners and experienced traders alike, making it easy to monitor your investments, trade different cryptocurrencies, and take advantage of the platform's vast array of features. Whether your goal is to make quick trades, invest long-term, or explore unique options like crypto, credit, spending with the Crypto.com Visa card, or earning passive income through staking, the platform provides you with a seamless experience. So whether you are holding your favorite coins, diversifying your portfolio, or simply learning the ropes, you have taken the first big step. Keep an eye out for new updates and opportunities within the platform to continue optimizing your trading experience. Happy trading, and here's to your continued success in the world of crypto, and thank you for listening.